I confess, I wear pants that look like dress pants.
Yeah.
But they're actually sweatpants.
No, that's not giving up.
We went out to dinner, and for the first time, I want to say, during the pandemic, I wore a dress shirt, but I wore like gym shorts.
Yeah, perfect.
With it.
Perfect.
My wife was like, really?
Perfect.
Previously on TWiT. All about Android.
Android 11 is official today, just like that.
My top three favorite features in order is the power menu, media notification, and I'm excited by the idea of the conversations notification.
Hands-on wellness.
There's a company out there that is giving folks an option to be able to do rehab for stroke care at home in the comfort of their home. This is the NeoFX Smart Glove.
This Week in Google.
We could have a lot of really interesting word like my computer glob, for lack of a better word. I walk into a restaurant, the computer glob can say to the restaurant, hey, Stacy's allergic to bell peppers and she hates the following music.
I mean, it really is the phone, because without connectivity of any kind, it's useless. It's a blob. It's literally a paperweight.
Blob, not a blob.
Okay, so your global location-oriented biome.
And so you can breathe.
I think this is it. We've solved it.
TWiT.
We have solved the future of computing.
The future.
Tell your friends.